Unit 4. Web Application and Security. Introduction. In early days, our focus was primarily on desktop applications which were confined to a single computer. These applications could be installed on individual machines but were not accessible via a network or the internet. To overcome these constraints, web applications emerged as a viable solution. A web application is a software program that users can access through a web browser such as Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Today, web applications are not only tailored for computers but also for mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones. After the development of a web application, it must be placed in a specific location within a network. Typically, web applications are hosted within a client-server networking environment. Computers that initiate requests to access web applications are referred to as client computers or machines. Conversely, a computer that responds to these client requests is recognized as a server. Working with accessibility options. The presence of an impairment or disability in an individual can limit the interaction between them and a computer system. Some common type of impairment that impact computer usage are as follows. Visual impairments. Some people struggle to see what is displayed on a computer screen. It's like viewing a hazy image. They employ specialized equipment to assist them, such as screen magnifiers, talking computers known as screen readers, and braille displays which enable touch-based reading. They can utilize computers and the internet more easily because to these aids. Hearing impairments. Some persons who have hearing impairments are unable to hear the noises on a computer, such as music or video dialogue. To access multimedia information and engage in communication, they may depend on features such as captioning, sign language video relay services, or assistive listening equipment that facilitate text-based interactions. Cognitive impairments. Some people have trouble reading, comprehending, or paying attention when using computers. Users with cognitive impairments often require specialized tools like cognitive assistance software, text-to-speech applications, or simplified user interfaces tailored to their needs. Speech impairments. For individuals with speech impairments, including conditions like stuttering or aphasia, utilizing voice-activated interfaces can be challenging. Instead, they may opt for text-based communication devices as a means to effectively communicate and interact with computers and digital devices. Accessing the accessibility feature. Commonly used system software such as Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, etc. provides various accessibility features to help impaired people in using computers efficiently. You can access these accessibility features from Control Panel or from System Settings. The steps to access the accessibility feature in Windows 10 operating system from Control Panel are as follows. 1. Click the Start button on the taskbar. 2. Click the Windows System Control Panel from the Start menu. The Control Panel window appears. 3. Click the Ease of Access Center link in the Control Panel window. The accessibility options appear in the Ease of Access Center window. In the given figure, you can see that the Ease of Access Center window provides a range of tools or utilities that are designed to improve the accessibility of the computer. Windows 10 offers a set of quick access utilities which include Start Magnifier. This utility is designed to enhance text readability by displaying a magnified version of selected text in a separate window or on the screen. Start Narrator. This utility serves as a text-to-speech tool, allowing the contents displayed on a screen to be read aloud. Start the on-screen keyboard. This virtual keyboard appears on the screen, allow users to input data using a joystick or any other pointing device. Set up high contrast. This utility is used to enhance color contrast on the screen, making it easier to read. Some other basic accessibility features listed in the Explore All Settings section of the Ease of Access Center are as follows. Use the computer without a display. This feature is very beneficial for individuals who have difficulty in viewing content on the screen. Make the computer easier to see. This feature lets you adjust various settings related to display of computer screen. It is useful for the people who have eyesight problem. You can make things appear larger on screen or enhance the contrast among the items on screen using various settings provided in this feature. Use the computer without a mouse or keyboard. This feature is useful for the people who are not capable enough or have some kind of difficulty in using the keyboard or mouse. Make the mouse easier to use. This feature is helpful in deciding the looks of a pointer on screen or making it appear larger on screen so that a person with low sight can see the pointer on screen. Make the keyboard easier to use. This feature is useful for making the usage of keyboard easier for people who are experiencing difficulty in using the keyboard normally. Use text or visual alternatives for sounds. This feature is helpful for those who cannot hear or face some kind of difficulty in hearing sounds clearly. The various options provided by this feature for people who have auditory impairments. Make it easy to focus on tasks. This feature is useful for people who experience difficulty in focusing on their tasks. Make touch and tablets easier to use. This feature makes the tablets easier to use for physically impaired people. It provides various options such as narrator, magnifier, and on-screen and keyboard, which helps people to easily use this device. You can access these options by clicking the Windows button and pressing the volume up key simultaneously on the tablet. The steps to access the accessibility feature in Windows 10 operating system from System Settings are as follows. 1. Click the Start button on the taskbar. 2. Select the Settings option. The Settings window opens. 3. Click the Ease of Access button in the Settings window. The accessibility options appear in the Ease of Access window. In the Ease of Access window, the accessibility features are categorized into 3 categories, namely vision, hearing, and interaction. The description of these categories are as follows. Vision. The accessibility features of this category help individuals who faces difficulty in reading content or have visibility issue. The various accessibility features of this category are as follows. Display. This feature gives the facility to increase the text size, modify the size of the apps and its text, increase or decrease the brightness of the display. The feature also allows you to simplify and personalize windows that gives the facility to reduce effects that may confuse your eyes, such as animation, transparency effects, etc. Cursor and pointer. This feature gives the facility to modify the size and the color of the mouse pointer as well as the thickness of the cursor. Magnifier. This feature helps an individual to enhancing the visibility of text, images and objects by displaying an enlarged version of selected section in a separate window or on the entire screen. This feature also helps to increase or decrease the zoom level of the screen. Color filters. This feature enhances the visibility of photos or images on a screen by applying appropriate color filters. High contrast. This feature improves the visibility of text and applications by applying different colors. It changes the background elements of the window to black while change the text color to white, yellow or green based on the selected theme. Narrator. The feature serves as a screen reader that provides verbal descriptions of the content displayed on your screen. This enables you to utilize this information for navigating your device effectively. You can control the narrator using various input methods such as keyboard, touchpad, or mouse. Additionally, this feature permits you to customize aspects of the narrator's functionality, include voice preferences, speed, volume, and more. Hearing. The accessibility features of this category help individuals who faces hearing difficulties. The various accessibility features of this category are as follows. Audio. This feature helps you to adjust the volume of the device, apply the mono audio setting so that you get the same sound in both ears, and apply setting to get a sound on the notification. Closed caption. This feature helps you to understand the audio through text-based caption. Interaction. The accessibility features of this category enable user to enhance their speech, utilize the on-screen keyboard, manage mouse functions, and perform additional actions. The various accessibility features of this category are as follows. Speech. This feature allows you to interact with your computer system through speech. Keyboard. This feature gives the facility for making the usage of keyboard easier for people who are experiencing difficulty in using the keyboard normally. You have the option to choose the on-screen keyboard setting, which enables the use of the virtual keyboard on your screen. Sticky keys allow you to utilize a single key press instead of having to press multiple keys simultaneously. Toggle keys, on the other hand, provide an alert each time you engage the caps lock, num lock, or scroll lock keys. Filter keys can be beneficial as they help ignore rapid successive keystrokes or unintended prolonged key presses. Mouse. This feature gives the facility to control the cursor using number keypad, though faces challenges to hold the mouse. Eye control. This feature allows you to use the eye tracking technology for various purposes, such as control the mouse movement, typing text by using the on-screen keyboard, and connect with people by using text-to-speech. Serial keys. Serial keys is an accessibility tool that enables users to control their computers without the use of a traditional keyboard and mouse. For individuals who have trouble in utilizing the conventional entry techniques, this accessibility tool is especially helpful. Sip and Puff, a unique input tool that makes computer operation and input easier. The Sip and Puff gadget is a mouth-operated input mechanism with a single switch that can operate two different devices. Simply put the straw or tube in your mouth to use the Sip and Puff device. One device may be controlled by sipping via the tube, while another can be controlled by puffing. Understand networking fundamentals. A computer network is defined as a collection of computers and devices linked together to facilitate communication and the exchange of information. To form a network, two or more computers are connected with each other. For effectively transmit and receive data, computers follow to a predefined set of guidelines, commonly known as protocols. A computer network includes various devices such as servers, desktops, laptops, and cellular phones that share and communicate data with each other. The size of a network can vary considerably, which depends on the number of computers or devices it includes. Benefits of networking. Numerous benefits of computer networking enhance the effectiveness, productivity, and connectedness of people and businesses. Some of the benefits are as follows. Shared resource access. By enabling numerous users to share hardware such as printers, scanners, and storage devices, networking lowers expenses and boosts productivity. Centralized data management. It is simpler to maintain and back up data when it is kept on a centralized server. Email and messaging. Networking facilitates communication through email and instant messaging, improving collaboration and information exchange. Video conferencing. With network connectivity, people can engage in face-to-face communication even if they are geographically distant. Internet access. Networking provides access to the Internet, opening up a vast array of information and resources for individuals and organizations. File sharing. Users can share files and documents seamlessly, promoting collaboration and information sharing within an organization. Data encryption. Networking enables the use of encryption techniques to secure data during transmission. Types of networks. Computer networks are classified based on the geographical areas as well as the roles of the components. Based on the geographical area, networks are categorized into following category. Local Area Network, LAN. It comprises a group of interconnected computers within a small space, such as a building or office. LANs facilitate the connection of multiple personal computers through communication mediums such as twisted pair or coaxial cable. LAN is budget-friendly because it is formed by using cost-effective hardware such as hubs, network adapters, and Internet cables. LANs enable the sharing of resources such as files, printers, and Internet connections among connected devices. This facilitates efficient collaboration and access to shared resources. LANs facilitates fast data transfer and communication between devices. The data transfer speed of LAN is 1000 Mbps. Metropolitan Area Network, MAN. It covers the area greater than LAN but smaller than WAN. A MAN in a computer network that interconnects devices across a geographical area, typically spanning a city, town, or metropolitan area through a shared communication path. MAN is to interconnect multiple LANs located in different parts of a city or metropolitan area. The data transfer speed of LAN is 35 Mbps to 155 Mbps. Wide Area Network, WAN. A network that covers a vast geographical area which includes regions such as states or even entire countries. WANs facilitate the transmission of data over long distances, which is crucial for businesses and organizations with operations in different cities or countries. WANs provide the ability to access resources, applications, and data located in remote locations. This is essential for cloud-based services, remote data storage, and remote server access. The data transfer speed of LAN is 150 Mbps. Personal Area Network, PAN. The computer network which links computers and other devices within a person's close proximity. PAN can be used within an individual's range, usually up to 10 meters, 33 feet. Devices such as computer, smartphones, printer, speakers, etc. are frequently included in a personal area network. Based on the component, networks are categorized into following category. Peer-to-peer architecture. In a peer-to-peer P2P network, there is no central server or hub that controls the communication and data exchange between devices. In a P2P architecture, each device or node can act both as a client and a server. In P2P, all devices in the network are considered equal and can directly communicate and share resources with one another. Client-server architecture. Client-server architecture is a common network architecture that is used to provide services and resources in a network environment. In this architecture, computers or devices in a network are divided into two categories, clients and servers. A client is a device or application that requests services or resources from the server. Clients can be computers, smartphones, tablets, or any device that needs to access data or services from a server. A server is a powerful computer or software application that provides services, resources, or data to clients. Servers are typically optimized for handling a large number of client requests simultaneously. Examples of clients include web browsers, email clients, and mobile apps, and of server include web servers, file servers, email servers, and database servers.